In this short tutorial, we'll go over how to find empirical studies within PsycArticles and PsycInfo to EBSCO databases. To access the Sullivan Library's databases from Dominican University's homepage, hover over Academics, and then click on Sullivan Library. Next, hover over the Find menu, and click Databases. Databases are online platforms that provide access to abstracts and full-text articles from scholarly journals, trade journals, magazines, and other publications, usually all of the same or similar discipline. To organize databases by discipline, click on Subjects and scroll down to click Psychology and Sociology, then click Search. From here, click APA PsycArticles. To search both PsycArticles and PsycInfo at once, click APA PsycArticles. EBSCO is a company that hosts a variety of different databases, and you'll see that you have the option of searching many or all of them at the same time. For now, check the box next to APA PsycInfo, then click Select. To find empirical research studies, you must use the advanced search, not the basic search. Scroll down to find the search filters. In the Methodology section, choose Empirical Study. Empirical studies use observational techniques and quantitative measurements to conduct experiments and collect data. Scroll up and check Peer-reviewed. Articles that have been published in peer-reviewed journals are typically high quality. This is because experts such as scholars and practitioners in the field of psychology have vetted and edited each article before publication and deemed it appropriate for that particular journal. You might also want to check the full text box. This will filter out search results where only the abstract is available to read and not the article in its entirety. Leaving this unchecked is useful when you have time to request full text articles through interlibrary loan. Now let's try a sample search. Let's say you're researching the effect of cognitive behavioral therapy on veterans with PTSD. On the advanced search page, it's best to break up your key terms by using different fields, separated by the search operator AND. In the first field, you would type in cognitive behavioral therapy in quotation marks. The words inside the quotes will be searched as a single phrase, spelled exactly as entered. In the next field, type in veterans. And in the third field, we'll put in quotation marks post-traumatic stress disorder. Click Search. If you were searching in the basic search page, your search string would look like this. So we have 308 results. Remember, these are records of peer-reviewed, full-text empirical research articles, the filters you initially chose to search through. You'll see an All Filters button with more filters you can activate should you feel the need. For example, if you only wanted to see articles published within the last 5 years, you could change the publication date to past 5 years. Click Apply, and this cuts your search results down to 68 total results. These records contain a lot of information, such as the article title, authors, journal name, the volume, the issue, page numbers, and more. You can also read the article's entire abstract or comprehensive summary by clicking Show More. The abstract can help you decide whether or not to read the full text of the article. Click on an article title to find even more information and tools, and sometimes even the HTML full text below. A link to the PDF full text should be located in the Download button towards the top of the page. Click Download, and then the file will be saved to your device. Alternatively, you can share or email the article to yourself to read later by using the Share tool. You can email someone a brief citation or detailed citation, or a citation in a specific citation style, like APA 7th edition. Always double check that database generated citations are correctly formatted. Very often they are not. If you've created a MyEBSCO account, you can save the article to your saved items or add it to a project folder. Add to project is a good option if you'll be reading many different articles and would like to organize them into subfolders. To create an account, click MyEBSCO and then sign into MyEBSCO. This wraps up the tutorial on finding peer-reviewed empirical studies. If you need additional research help, please contact the Sullivan Library via phone, email, or 24/7 chat, which are in the description below. Thank you for watching.